Right now, foods that feel comforting to me are warming and bold and spicy and almost feel cleansing. So I've been enjoying curries and sweet and sour chutneys and all of the spicy, tangy deliciousness. Do you like curry?
Yes.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
What do you like about curry?
I like that it's sweet and spicy at the same time.
Do you like cilantro?
Yes.
What do you like to eat cilantro on?
Quesadillas, burritos, beans.
Do you know what this is?
Nope.
You don't?
No.
This is star anise. Here, smell.
Ah, that sounds good.
What does it smell like?
Licorice almost.
Would you eat this for $1 million?
Yeah.
You would?